In the dynamic landscape of modern business, the role of a business analyst has become increasingly vital. Business analysis serves as a compass, guiding organizations through complex challenges and helping them achieve their strategic objectives. But what exactly is business analysis, and what does it entail? Hello, and welcome to the series on Business Analysis Fundamentals. In this series, we will discuss the fundamentals of business analysis, and there will be different course modules in the upcoming classes. So, without any further delay, let's delve into the definition and scope of business analysis to better understand its importance in today's business world. At its core, business analysis is the practice of identifying business needs and finding solutions to address them. It involves understanding an organization's structure, processes, and goals and using that knowledge to improve its efficiency, effectiveness, and overall performance. Business analysts liaise between stakeholders, bridging the gap between business objectives and IT solutions. Now, let's explore the scope of business analysis. The scope of business analysis is broad and multifaceted, encompassing various aspects of organizational structure, processes, and technology. Firstly, business analysts are responsible for gathering and documenting requirements from stakeholders. This involves understanding their needs, preferences, and expectations regarding a particular project or initiative. Secondly, business analysts analyze and model existing business processes to identify areas for improvement. This involves mapping out the flow of activities, identifying bottlenecks or inefficiencies, and proposing solutions to streamline processes and enhance productivity. Thirdly, effective stakeholder management is essential for the success of any business analysis effort. Business analysts work closely with stakeholders from various departments and levels of the organization to ensure alignment of goals and expectations. Fourthly, business analysts analyze data to identify trends, patterns, and insights that inform strategic decision-making. This may involve gathering and analyzing market data, financial metrics, customer feedback, or operational performance indicators to support business decisions and drive organizational growth. Finally, business analysts play a crucial role in evaluating potential solutions and recommending the best course of action to address business needs. This includes assessing the feasibility, cost, and benefits of different options, as well as overseeing the implementation of chosen solutions to ensure they meet the desired objectives. In conclusion, business analysis is a multifaceted discipline critical to organizational success. By identifying business needs, analyzing processes, and facilitating effective communication among stakeholders, business analysts help organizations navigate complex challenges and achieve their strategic goals. As businesses continue to evolve and adapt to changing market dynamics, the demand for skilled business analysts will only continue to grow, making it an exciting and rewarding field for those looking to make a meaningful impact in the business world. Ultimately, embracing the principles of business analysis empowers organizations to adapt, innovate, and thrive in an increasingly competitive world. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration. Together, let's continue to unlock the true potential of business analysis and drive meaningful change in the world. To learn more or to start your own business analysis adventure, make sure to stay tuned until the end.